Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create Game Pass in Roblox. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step that I am or information that I am going to tell you or show you in this video. So let's get on it. Before we go to the steps on how to actually create passes on your Roblox. What we are going to do first is see the requirements that you'll need to have or to create pass on Roblox. So these are the requirements. So first, use a template of 512 by 512 pixels and make sure to save the image in either this format and don't include important details outside of the circular boundaries because the upload process trims and crops the final badge into a circular image. So here are the steps. First, what you'll need to do to navigate is to navigate to the creator dashboard and just click on to the experience you want to create pass for, and the experience overview page displays right here. And in the left hand navigation, select the associated items right here, and the picture the associated item page displays for that specific experience. And then in the horizontal navigation, just select the passes on that part and all passes for that experience display. And then after that, just click onto the create a pass button, and then the create a pass page displays. And just click the upload image button. So a file browser displays after clicking the upload image button. And after that, select the image that you want to display as the icon, then click on the open button. Then fill in the following fields such as the name, it is the title for your pass, and the description. And just click the create pass button after filling in this information right here, and then the pass displays within the passes section of associated items page. So that's it. That's how you can create a pass in your Roblox. So remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.